way too cool for ya, boy. That's why it'll never work. I have you suicidal, suicidal when I say it's over.
Okay, so as you can see, my edges are all out of place because I washed my edges. And before I put the glue on, I did clean my skin with the witch hazel. But now I'm just gelling down my edges and slicking them back so it won't be stuck in the glue. Oh my god, y'all, I had a huge hole, but watch this. Watch what's finna happen. Just keep watching. Hold on.
Bruh.
It really messed up my whole wig cap. Like, look at it. Oh my god. Okay, so now I got me a new wig cap, and as you can see, I'm trying to push it all the way back to exactly literally where my edges stop, because I do not want the glue to get on my actual edges. It's going to get on a little bit of my hair because I do have like hair, like, you know, coming down on my forehead and by my ears, but I did not want it to get all up, you know, on my forehead. So now I'm just putting my wig on, and I have braided my wig down, so when I take it down, it'll be all wavy, you know, and bye. So now I'm just measuring where I want my wig to lay so I know where to put the glue. So that's all I'm doing right here. And then I'm just going to speed this part up and let y'all see how I lay the glue down. Okay, so I'm using the bow hold, the glue, and I'm putting it on like in the middle of my forehead. I'm not going to go all the way to my ear because, as you're going to see throughout the video, I do the first top of my head first, and then I do the sides after I have laid down the front. So now I am putting the glue here, and I'm going to let it dry, and then I'm going to put another layer. I only did 2 layers. I didn't do 3 or more. But while you have this glue on here, you want to wait for it to dry clear before you actually lay your lace down. Okay, so now I'm about to lay it down on the glue. Make sure your hands are clean, no glue, no oil, anything on it, because I had to wipe my hands off because I still had some glue on my hands. So you want to make sure your hands are clean so your lace will lay good on the glue. So now that the glue is dry, I'm about to lay it down my sides. And I pull down the side with my hands. And then I'm going to take the rat tail comb, the end, and just press it down into the glue. This is way better than just using your hand because it really gets the lace down into the glue. Okay, I wanted to show you guys me styling my hair into like a little high ponytail. Well, I mean half ponytail. Just to show you guys that this glue is really holding my wig in place because I am really using this comb and combing through my hair and pulling it, and the wig is not moving. It's not moving.